Welcome on back, everybody. As always, I'm Kiki. In today's video, I'm going to teach you to do a back loop only stitch. It is just like a front loop only, except the opposite. That's going to be abbreviated in your pattern as BLO. Let's get to it. Okay, so if you're going to be doing a back loop only, it's going to be much of the same as the front loop. So like normal, when you do your single crochet, you've got your 2 pieces of braid. For a back loop only, you're going to have the right side of your work facing towards you. Take your hook, go into the middle of your braid, and work into that loop the furthest away from you. And then you would work your single crochet, half double crochet, whatever your pattern calls for. So then the next stitch, you've got your 2 pieces here. Go into the middle of that stitch and just work that back piece. And that's it. All right, guys, I hope that was at least slightly more clear than the front loop only, but as always, please tell me everything. I want to hear about all of your crochet journey down below. I want to hear about how I'm explaining things down below, whether it's good or bad. I just want to know how I'm doing. But I will continue to make these as I come across them, and I appreciate you guys so much. We'll see you next time.